Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a breakfast sandwich. You will need 1 pack of beef smoked sausage, 2 eggs, 2 cups of hash browns, 2 slices of mild cheddar cheese, 2 slices of Texas toast, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and peanut oil for frying. Coat both sides of your bread with your mayonnaise, then set them aside until later. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan or griddle to temperature, then fry your sausage. Remove the sausage from the griddle, then set them aside until later. Now brush your griddle with oil, then fry your hash browns. Season with the salt and pepper, then allow them to cook for 5 minutes or until they are golden brown. After 5 minutes, remove them from the griddle, then set them aside. Now spray the griddle with cooking oil, then fry your eggs. Season with your remaining salt and pepper, then allow them to cook for 2 minutes or until they have reached your desired texture. Remove them from the griddle, then set them aside. Now toast the bread on both sides. Now it's time to build your sandwich. Add your cheese to the toast, cover, and allow it to melt. Now add the hash brown, eggs, and sausage. This is a hearty breakfast that is sure to please. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab.